Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a fantastic topic that's been making waves in the world of health and nutrition. If you're a fan of staying healthy and feeling great, you're in the right place. We're diving into the surprising benefits of drinking lemon water daily. But first, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our health and nutrition updates. Let's get started. Segment 1. The power of lemon water. Lemon water is more than just a tasty drink. It's a game changer for your health. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, a powerful antioxidant that boosts your immune system, clears your skin, and helps you fight off those pesky colds. And the best part, it's all natural. The citric acid in lemons acts as a natural detoxifier, cleansing your body from the inside out. It flushes out toxins and aids digestion. So, every sip of lemon water is like a mini spa for your body. Segment 2. Weight management. Are you looking to shed those extra pounds and feel lighter? Lemon water can be your secret weapon. Lemon water helps boost your metabolism, making it easier to burn calories. Plus, it keeps you feeling full, reducing those unhealthy snack cravings. It's not a magic solution, but when combined with a healthy diet and exercise, lemon water can be a game changer for your weight management journey. Segment 3. Healthy skin and hair. Lemon water ain't just about feeling great on the inside. It also works wonders for your skin and hair. The antioxidants in lemons fight off free radicals, giving you clearer, more radiant skin and shiny, luscious hair. Who doesn't want that, right? Make it a part of your morning routine, and you'll be amazed at the glow-up you'll experience. Segment 4. How to enjoy lemon water. Now that you know the amazing benefits, let's talk about how to enjoy lemon water. You can keep it simple with a slice of lemon in a glass of water, or get creative with lemon-infused water recipes. The options are endless. So, whether you like it chilled, with a twist of mint, or a hint of honey, there's a lemon water recipe that suits your taste. In conclusion, the benefits of drinking lemon water daily are simply astounding. It's a small change that can make a big difference in your life. So, why wait? Start your lemon water journey today and experience the transformation for yourself. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends. And, of course, stay tuned for more health and nutrition tips from us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.